Put a bottle and a bladder in the tap. You'll never waste money again. You'll avoid spending money on those gourmet taps. To do this, you'll need a bottle. It can be a big 2-liter bottle, or one of those 500 milliliter bottles, or even a very small one. What we really need is the mouth, the top part of the bottle. Once you've cut off this part, remove the burrs. Try to make it as smooth as possible. It won't tear the bladder when we put it in. Guys, this is super easy to make. What's more, you'll spend very little. Take a bladder of any size, cut off the top part, the little bit with scissors, and then fit the part we've just cut off into the bottle, exactly as I'm doing. In this part of the bottle's spout, we'll make a delicate hole here. I'll use a fine-pointed knife, but you also have the option of making several holes with a needle, so you'll have plenty of water coming out with good pressure. But even with just one hole, there's still plenty of pressure. Finally, just place it on the tap. The part we cut off will fit into the tap's water outlet. Note that the water pressure is very good. After washing the dishes, the sink always gets very dirty. Then you give it a good scrub and it's full of soap. And when it comes to rinsing, you waste a lot of water. That's why this tip will come in very handy. As well as being super useful for washing dishes, it will save you a lot of water. By opening the tap just a little, the water already gains a very good pressure, enough to reach anywhere in the sink. Best of all, it doesn't come out of the tap easily. If you like this tip, give it a like and send it to a friend of yours who has a hard time washing the sink. Thanks for watching. See you next time.